Shaude Nelson. I'm the executive chef of the American Song. I will be showing you today a dirty pasta that I made with lobster. And also, we're gonna have some fun today. So these are all my ingredients right here. I got mushroom, I got shallots, tomatoes, I got spinach, I got my cream, I got my penne pasta, I got my lobster, I got my cheese. We're gonna make some dirty pasta today. Adding the oil to the pan. I'm adding the shallots and thyme to the pan. Thyme and shallots give it flavor. You want all that nice flavor? This is what you get from shallots and thyme. Alright, so I'll be adding a tablespoon of garlic. I'll be adding the tomatoes. And last but not least, the spinach. Mushrooms, so why not add that too? Let it all sweat down, saute. Okay, this for another at least a minute so the tomatoes can sweat out. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I got a little more fat inside the pan so it won't stick. But once it continues to sweat for like another 30 seconds, I'm going to add the white wine. You can add whatever white wine you have in your fridge, whatever your preference. White wine, because you glaze the pan. That's what you're doing, you're glazing it. Picking up all the particles from the bottom of the pan, all the flavors, all from the bottom. You're gonna let the wine cook out so the sugars can come up. I'm gonna let this render down for no more than a minute or two. Because you want to just cook the sugar. You want to cook the alcohol out so the sugars can come in. So that's basically what's the purpose of you adding alcohol to your dish. As you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna put more of a teaspoon of mustard, Dijon mustard. And why I put mustard to add that, give it that kick to it, and also a little hot sauce. Me, I prefer Louisiana crystals, my favorite. And then add my heavy cream to it. And we're gonna let it continue to cook for another 2 minutes. This is gonna come together. We're gonna have the lobster at the very, very end. Because you want to overcook it, it becomes rubbery. Just the rest of the heavy cream. That was nothing but a cup right there. Once they come together, we're gonna add our pasta. This for no more than not even a minute because it's already there, so we want to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom because cream can burn and can break. One thing about cream can break, so you want to make sure you continue stirring it up properly. If you don't stir it properly, then it will break on you. I'm cooking this on high right now, but if you're at home, or you guys at home, I'd rather you cook this on medium, so where you have more of an eyeball and you can watch it in case it breaks on you. And then you can help it fix it if it does break on you. If it does break on you, add a little amount of fat, which is like butter, and then you add a little amount of water to bring it back together. Now it's nice and creamy, as you can see. So now it's time to add the pasta. It smells delicious. I wish y'all could smell it. All right, so if you this is enough for 2 people. But if you cook 2 more cups of pasta, it'll be good for 4. It'll be good for 4. Depends on how big the people are. Some people like to eat. This is the lobster going in. At the very end. Me, I put my seafood at the very end where it'll be cooked nice and tender and it won't be chewy and rubbery. But if it's starting to get a little too thick, that's when you go back and add a little bit more heavy cream to where it won't be so dry on you and thick on you and stiff on you. So your lobster won't get tough on you, even though you add it at the very end. You won't cook for no more than 4 minutes, tops. You cook a little bit over that, then that's okay, but don't go no more than 4 minutes, no more than 4 minutes. So now you want to add your seasoning at the very end. This is a Creole blend that I make here myself. So you got Cajun, you have paprika, you have garlic powder, onion powder, you put cayenne pepper, and I ain't gonna tell you the rest. The rest is top secret. Other than that, right. This is my Cajun blend that I make here, but you also can buy at the local grocery, Tony Chateries, whatever your preference are. But this is what I make here, my own special blend. But this is my dirty lobster pasta right here. Bon appetit. Alright, put in shaved parm. That's just the finish. And then also I like to add my microgreens to give it a little bit more, soigné. But here's my dirty lobster pasta.